Good morning. Boy, it's still this morning. That windmill's not even going. Wish we could sit for a week here. That would be nice. But we can't. Gotta hit the road. So we have some leftover refried beans from the restaurant the other day. So I'm gonna cook what I usually cook with beans for breakfast. A burrito. Yeah. Since we have so much beans, I'm just gonna eat a bean and cheese burrito. I'm gonna add egg to Deborah's, and then we're gonna hit the road. I forgot we have sausage. So I have 2 more muffins, so that'll be for tomorrow. And then 2 for today. I'm going to cut those up and get those in there. Add to the eggs. Yeah. Once again, day 4. You ready to go, Finn? And it's time to roll. Leave the beautiful rocks. Yeah. We'll be back, City of Rocks. We'll be back. We love it so much. We're actually staying in an RV park tonight in Van Horn, and so we have to go through Las Cruces and then have to go through El Paso. I don't want to go through either one of them. El Paso, they have the loop around, so we do take that, the 375 around El Paso, which cuts a lot of time off. It's a prettier drive. It's not as congested. So we'll get into Texas today. We're going to lose another hour. We lost an hour yesterday. We're going to lose another hour, I think. So it's going to be a long day. But I just looked at we rerouted our drive to go through, take 375. Instead of going through El Paso. It had us landing at 3 something, and now it says we're gonna land at 2. Of course, that's Google time. That's never the case because we don't drive the speed limit. So anyway, I didn't put my microphone on. Where is it? Oh yeah, day 4, and it's starting to wear.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
I think it's like. But I guess I might as well just say it now. We have a change of plans. Sunday, we were going to take the drive in to my property. My off-grid cabin is what I've called it in the past. And the winds are going to be high. The temperatures, why it's going to be cool on Monday is because Sunday there's a cold front blowing in, which is going to be high winds, gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So change of plans. We're not going to do that. So we're going to tomorrow, we're going to our home base, and then from there we'll wait an extra day, and then on Monday drive. Sundays it's windy, and Monday it's not. So we'll have to, of course it says it's going to be like 54 degrees at my off-grid cabin. So that'll be a good driving day, and then work 2 days and then come back to home base. So that's the change of plans. We almost made it work perfectly, but the wind decided it was gonna blow hard, and I'm not driving in 35 miles per hour wind, sustained, and 50 mile per hour gusts. Not gonna do it. So tomorrow will be an easy drive day to our home base. Okay, change of plans again. You got to be adaptable when you're traveling full time. Change of plans, pivot when you need to pivot. So we pulled over, got gas, diesel, and we only had like an hour and 40 minutes left. We called to see if we could cancel our reservations at the RV park, and they said yep, and give us a full refund, so we don't even have to go into Texas now. We're just gonna go to home base today. Now it has become a long Google time, 4.5 hours. So we're gonna knuckle it, not really, because the wind's gonna be great today. Tomorrow it was gonna be iffy, and it was only gonna be a 2-hour drive tomorrow. So we're just gonna do it all today. We're gonna just buck it up, buttercup, and drive the whole way, get to home base today, spend 3 nights, yay, rest up. Like I said, sometimes you gotta pivot, travel with the weather, but that'll give us, like I said, 3 days, 3 nights anyway at home base, and catch up. I think we both need it. That wind yesterday driving kind of wore us out, but we're gonna do a long haul today. What I say, 4.5 hours Google time. That's probably gonna be 6 hours real time. Probably get in maybe by 5. So, but I think we're both ready to park it for a few days. Turning onto the interstate. I think I just caught something I said earlier. That I said we wouldn't have to go into Texas. El Paso is Texas. Anyway, we're gonna jump down into Texas just for a little bit, then come back up into New Mexico. Yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, probably not thinking too much right now. I'm just trying to think. Anyway, I caught myself. Pretty. Oh, that's a wisteria. I used to have a wisteria in my front yard. I love wisterias. I love wisterias. Big old century plant. 2 of them. 3 of them. That's as big as that one we saw the other night. Deborah wants to get a picture of her and Finn in front of the Texas sign. Finn's first time to Texas. Finn's first time to Texas. We made it. Now we can leave.
He says it's my first time.
It's your first time to Texas.
Head toward South Desert Boulevard.
Hi.
Why? Why are we here?
No, high five.
High five. This has just been a beautiful drive. Yeah, we still have about an hour left. It's 4:44 or 4:41, and it is 4:41, and we still have about an hour's drive. Yeah, we had to stop for a little bit and rest. So, let's get back on the road. Welcome to New Mexico! Yay! I missed the sun this time. It's like we're out in the middle of nowhere, and it's just all of a sudden, welcome to New Mexico. And Google said it, so I had no warning. And since I've never been on this road, well, I can't say that. I have not. Well, I have been on this road because I've been to the Guadalupe Mountains before. I've not been on the road from Guadalupe Mountains to El Paso. There we go. But I've been on this road. So, anyway. We're in New Mexico. Yay! We're home again. We've been home once today, and then back in Texas, and then back in New Mexico. Yeah. That's funny how that works. Oh, I'm getting tired. It's about 4:54. I know she's tired. She's like, it's TIME, EAT. She's gonna spell it one of these days. She will. I thawed out some hamburger meat night before last, I guess. I guess when I get home, I'm gonna have to make something with that hamburger meat. And it'll probably be tacos. That's easy. Just cook it up with some seasoning, and it's taco meat. It's taco meat. Got some corn tortillas. Got some flour tortillas. Maybe make a quesadilla. Or no, maybe corn tortillas. Tacos. That's probably more like it. We shall see. I could do spaghetti sauce. Last night I was gonna do meatballs in the air fryer. Never done that. Homemade meatballs. And put them in the air fryer and see how they cooked up with just some spaghetti sauce stuff. Well, it is 6:02 p.m. I know, baby. I know. Yeah, it is 12 minutes. We're on the home stretch. 12 minutes till we get there. That's a long day. I don't like days like that. But we don't have to travel tomorrow. So we cut out a travel day. And we get 3 days to sit still before I head to Texas. So I'm gonna hunker down on Sunday because the wind's gonna be bad here too. It's gonna be bad in all this area, West Texas and New Mexico. So hunker down for that day. Jammy Day, call it. Jammy Day. Sammy calls it. Psst. You call it too? Okay, Jammy Day. Yeah, we made it. We're home.
Honey, we're home.
Honey, we're home.
Finn knew it when we pulled across the cattle guard.
Oh, really?
He sat up and he started wagging his tail. He's like, I know that cattle guard.
Well, that tree is bare, isn't it? On my little cactus, I don't really know that they've made it.
They did. With all that snow, they did great.
I don't know. Some of them are falling out of the pots.
Oh.
That one made it good. We planted that one last year. And all the birds are going crazy.
Yeah, they're like, oh no, people.
Oh no, she came home. There's my tree. There's my sunset.
Table?
Huh?
How's your garden table?
Fine. I've got soil and my tomato plant and my jalapeno plant. I need to take care of. Oh my goodness. They don't like me being home. They don't like me being home. I see. Oh, goodness. I think we might have some babies up there this year.
That's great.
That's a lot of birds up there. I scared them off.